Welcome to the last section of the digestion modules. So one problem you can have with the GI tract are parasites. Parasites are organisms that get into you, take advantage of you, and actually harm you while they're going through you. There are some organisms that go into you, like bacteria, that are communalistic, which means that they like to work with you and they help you break nutrients free or help work together so that they get some nutrients while they're helping to do things that you can't do. A common communal organism would be in a termite. So termites eat wood, but no animal can digest wood. So the termite has to have special bacteria in its gut that digests the wood to release the nutrients for the termite. So it's not actually the termite digesting the wood, it's a bacteria inside the termite. We can have different bacteria that do the same thing for us, but then we could also get the parasites that get into us. They're in our food, they're in the dirt that we walk in. It's really important to wash your hands because if you get these small eggs inside of you by ingestion, for example, of the ascarid here. So ascariasis is actually a parasitic invasion where you play in dirt outside or you walk around in dirt with your shoes off. You get the dirt with the eggs on you. You don't wash your hands. You eat a sandwich, you eat something, or you itch your face or on your mouth. You get the egg in you. You actually push the egg down into your stomach, like this. The egg will crack open when it gets into your small intestines, and the worm will burrow into your bloodstream. It goes from your bloodstream, and this is the weird thing, it goes into your lungs where it turns into a larger worm. At this time, you could get respiratory problems, you could get allergic reactions, thinking maybe it's just allergies in the environment. It can get in there and cause a lot of problems. You can give you pneumonia, and then while you sleep, the worm will crawl up, get into your esophagus, and then go back down into your stomach as a grown worm and into your small intestine, where at that point it'll start eating off of all of your food at the same time. One worm can get to about 18 inches long and have 27 million eggs in it. So you actually have a slide, the very first slide in your set, with the ascarid egg, whole mount, and your job is to see if you can find that egg in there. So the eggs have different appearance depending on if they're fertilized or unfertilized, but they have a hard shell around the outside that makes them unique compared to other things that are around them. And keep in mind, these are things that are in the ground around you. So people that, or children especially, that don't wash their hands after they've been playing in dirt and eat things can actually get this in you. So we walked right through the anatomy, we looked at some of the microscope slides, and now we've gone through the one of the pathologies. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for joining us, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thank you.